What is up? What is up? What's good? What's good? What's good? All right, let me get the chat up. VO, what's up, bro? All right, I'm gonna go through this quick. So, tomorrow's the big old day. CPI, brother. All right. We got CPI tomorrow morning. That's a huge news event. Good for chucking some fucking evals at or whatever you want to. But be on the lookout for that. That's an hour before the bell. So, as far as where we're heading, I need to see what London does. One thing I've been keeping tabs on is just all this low resistance liquidity above us here. I've been talking about it for a minute. So I'm still watching this. Internally here, we did get the 4-hour fair value gap. And so, it does look like we're literally squeezing to a point, right? I mean, you can literally draw on a retail pattern here, triangular and shit. One thing I do want to see, one thing that is, that I'm keeping tabs on though, is that we've not pulled back into discount yet of this price leg. So we just need to keep tabs on that. Now, it's not uncommon to fall short of pulling back into discount before rallying higher, but I just want to, give disclosure to that. This is an attractive interim turbulent low, okay? But I really want to see, it just depends on what happens overnight. That'll give me a little bit more clue what's going on. But yeah, I think we're fine. I think we're through the fair value gap, to be honest with you. So if we go down, this is the first area I'd watch. It's the strongest area I'd watch. There's also an order block here if you want to watch that. We do have low resistance liquidity resting below us as well. And so I would keep tabs on all that for downside. For upside, it's pretty straightforward. I mean, you have all these highs, right? This is external liquidity. That's all you really need to watch. They're going to be strong draws for price. So if price ends up just fucking popping, let's say CPI is really good, right? I mean, it's not like we can't go that high just off of CPI, off of one candle, okay? And so all you need to do is just think about the external draws. This is relative equal highs, so that's extremely strong, right? And then these externals, okay? So that's what I'm watching on NASDAQ. I'm taking a look at Bitcoin here, right? Still fine. I think it's gonna reciprocate, the market's response to CPI. We also have PPI this week as well and retail sales, but CPI is going to be the bigger of everything. So I think Bitcoin's going to, respond to that, and then that'll flow through Ethereum, Solana, and then XRP. All right. So let me check in with the audience real quick here. All right. Yeah, it's CPI. Night shift got me not in the loop this week. You just got to stay dialed, bro. Stay dialed, stay on it. If you're constantly staying on it and vigilant however you can, dude, you'll be making them them bands, bro. You'll be able to focus. Yeah, I can make a case for both sides for sure here. We haven't pulled back into discount in the relative price league. We have just clean low resistance liquidity, if not at least here. Right? Yeah. This is just kind of an odd move. I feel like we should have rallied here a little bit and broke the high of day. So when we fell short of that, we just stayed inside of this range, and so it makes it kind of weird. And then, yeah, just keeping tabs on this guy. What's up, brother? Yeah, man. So I'm gonna start live streaming on YouTube, like, very often again. As far as making videos, we'll see. I'm gonna throw nuggets here or there. But yeah, bro, I'm back, man. Let's go, man. Come on. Yeah. Yeah, so right now I mostly trade futures. I trade ICT, smart money concepts. So I just read pretty much price action straight up. No more indicators. I don't use any of that. Oh, man. He caught the afternoon long when I couldn't sleep, so that was cool. 250 bones. ES had a crazy reaction off 60-10 gap down Sunday. Oh, damn. Oh, you're talking about right here? Yeah. That was a nice reaction. That told me like we were definitely bullish. I mean, because that was a, little dump for a minute there, and then it just like knifed back up or pumped back up like very quick. You're still in the small cap game. IPOs have dried up at least the debut. At least they debut trade, yeah. Bro, but word on the street is the IPO market's about to be busting the next couple of years, probably even this year. Yeah, I figured long 4 hour looked like it was getting its shit together. Yeah, that was an aggressive recovery from that Sunday move from the tariff announcement or whatever. So I've this is good. This is good. Looks bullish. Looks very bullish. Oh man, this is just such a gimme. Like, come on, bro. Like, dude, and then you got this back here. Like, come on, bro. Like, what, bro? It looks good. This looks so good for upside. My goodness gracious. On the higher time frame, at least. Internally, whatever. We can do the little song and dance. But internally, I mean, shit. That was nice. Daily's pretty smacking too. Hit that like, man. How many likes we got? That's what I'm talking about. Yes, sir. All right, guys. Give me some likes. Give me some likes. Okay. Well, do you guys have any questions? If not, I'll probably wrap this up. Probably do a longer stream. Next time we're on. Probably be maybe like Thursday. All right, y'all. Well, I'm going to go ahead and wrap up the stream. If there's no other questions, if you have any, just ping me in Discord, okay? And I'll get you covered in there, brethren. What's the downside on ES? The downside watch? That's relatively the the same spot. What'll happen is, if let's say Nasdaq does pull back, ES might fall short, or SMT here if it falls short of discount, but that's the spot you want to watch if we do pull back. I don't think we'll take this low. Like, I don't care if CPI dumps. I don't see us taking that low. If we do, it is what it is. Then if that is the case, then we'll have to start pulling back out the fib. But we'll see, man. Mr. Cash, what up, brother? You just scalped 50 ticks. Bro, you are a fucking machine, bro. Yeah, I'm going to hop. Let's see. I was going to say, I might hop in Discord, but word, good luck the rest of the week. Bro, this week has been slapping, dude. But it's been kind of trappy price action. This is my chart from today. These are the 3 main trades. I'll go through these quick. But this was before the bell, right? You got the trigger finger strat, external draw. This thing fucking pumped like a mug. And I did note all this low resistance liquidity above, which explains the pump because we immediately took all that. I'm just surprised we took all that fast, especially going into news. And then when news formed, we left below this data low. So then when price pulled up, I was cognizant of that data low, and I thought it was still possible to get. So when we pumped up, we traded back into OTE of the range, and then we also swept this internal high. So we swept this internal high, an OT of the range, and a premium. Then we displaced lower during a macro, right? Granting us another trigger finger strap, right? And this is a protected high, so you can just set it there, honestly, and then you target that low. Fuck, man, this trade kills me. This trade killed me today, guys, because I was in good size on this trade, okay? Like full size. I was in good fucking size on this thing. And I got fucking, I don't know. I got chopped around up here. I didn't stick through the fucking, the trade, and it is what it is. I was break even though. I didn't lose anything. Like, this price action here got me. I was like, fuck, man. All I had to do was just wait, bro. Like, it's that simple. I think probably because the amount of drawdown it is. But man, fuck. Oh man, that was a clean 70-pointer, man. This is like the epitome of the shit I've been teaching all over my Instagram and in my Discord. Right? So I don't want to hear these motherfuckers saying there's no setups today, the market's trash. You're fucking trash, bro. There's setups. You just got to find them. That's it. All right? So if you look here, right? And some days there truly isn't setups. It just depends on your strategy, right? I mean, that's very true. I mean, there's definitely days where there just isn't setups because it's just not giving it to me. So that's totally normal shit. Okay. But if I hear for like a week straight, like, there's no way, dude. Just no way. It's pretty rare. Okay. So this last one here, right? Price. All right, we pulled back into OT. Okay. So we pulled back into discount after just rallying, right? That's a good sign. And higher time frame aligns with upside. Tapped into this imbalance here, this sell side imbalance, right? Got the displacement higher, and this is after sweeping that data low, right? Including that. Boom, it pumped. Now, it was kind of weird how we stopped. Okay. I just targeted here, to be honest with you. I didn't carry this all the way through, but I'm surprised it kind of fell short. So that tells me that it could be brewing for downside, because I feel like we should have gone right there. Just based on experience. I mean, you got low resistance liquidity resting here. You also have internal highs. And this is a strong draw up here. Okay. But I mean, once you clear that, you're heading for all-time highs. So I don't know, because then you're going to start rallying through all this shit. So sorry, guys. Haven't slept in like 3 days, feels like. Check my screenshots in the chat. All right. Yeah, so if you're in the Discord, guys, you can post your screenshots. I'll pull it up during the stream here. Boom, 820. All right, so I took a trigger finger straight around 11 a.m. my time. Boy. So 11 a.m. your time, that's 1, okay. Off the 1 minute FPG. Was that 1 o'clock? I think that's the one I took. Oh, right here? Oh, yeah. I see you, boy. Yeah, that was nice. Let me go back. No, I was done trading for the day. I would have saw this for sure. Oh, this is nice, dude. Yeah, fuck yeah, boy. Dude, then you got that sweep right here. And I think you even got the pullback to discount. Yeah, dude, that's nice. I wonder if we even got this leg too. No, I fell short of that leg, but this leg is the valid leg because this is the one that took out that high. Yeah, dude, that's nice, boy. That bitch held strong, boy. Look at all them wicks. Man, people just don't want to learn this shit. They don't want 30 points a day, I guess. I don't know. Actually, 100 points a day, my bad. But that's another 100. So that's 130 about. Let's see. Let's count it up, man. Let's run the racks, man. Let's run the racks, man. So if you're savage and you held this all the way through, that's a potential 110 points. Then on this, if you're savage and held it to data lows, that's about 180 right there. Okay. If you're a goon like me and you held this to here, let's just be conservative, 30 points. All right, 210 points right there. And then if you, let's see, probably got in a little bit late on this one. Let's go up like here. And you held to that internal high. All right, there you go. Boom. So what's the math? 235? 235 points. Swimming, boy. Come on, dog. That's crazy. Telling you guys. This shit wears me out, dude, because I'll literally just be like in there just slapping and nobody's taking the shit. I'm like, okay, I guess you guys don't. That's fine. I'm getting in. Price action's ass. Not today. You know, it definitely wasn't the best, though. Like, I'll meet you in the middle because this shit was so ass. Like, that was ass. That was ass. This was ass. Like, every setup was just kind of, like, hesitant. Even this. Every setup was literally hesitant, but they still performed, which is an interesting observation. They, like, all, like, barely performed, but they were just, like, even this one. What the fuck? Oh, that's so crazy. Look at this. Look at the hesitation on this one. Look at the hesitation on this one. This is crazy. Yeah, that's cool. You usually don't see it that clean. Wow. Hesitation on every A grade setup today. But it just goes to show that shit still be fucking slapping when shit's fucked up. Come on, dog. Fuck with me, dude. Hundred ticks, 2 cons. Yeah, their setups daily. If I can find a long while being 80% asleep this afternoon, then anyone can. That's weird because ES went higher. Yeah, that was it. Felt good, coach. A little bit of your strat, a little bit of mine. I felt so relaxed, trading loud. Yeah. Dude, because, like, yeah, I backtested this so much. So, like, I got to a point where I can just relax with it. But then sometimes the human side kicks in, like today, like this. I don't know why I didn't hold this. Like, looking back, that would have been a nice payday right there. Fuck, man. Because I know, I trust myself, like being honest with myself. I have enough conviction to hold this all the way there. Like, I'm going to trim, of course, on the way. That's just management. That's risk management. Right? But I could hold all the way to here easily. Fuck. Man, this was textbook. It all looks shitty. This is interesting. I really like this, man. I'm gonna definitely journal. I already journaled earlier, but I'm gonna add some more to the journal after this stream because this is crazy. Wow, it's like almost artificial. It's so crazy. Man, every time it just blows my mind. The more you look at the charts, the more you see crazier shit, man. You just open that third eye. It's crazy, dude. It's crazy. With your strat to enter and my strat when I'm in the trade, I can be able to tell whether to cut or to short or not. My rectangle tool on the individual candles really help. Yeah, dude. Yeah, I gotta fuck with that more. Yeah. That was an update they added, like, I remember a couple years ago, dude. I think like 2 years ago. And I'm so glad they did because it just makes things so fucking easy, bro. Where's it at? You talking about like this shit, bro? That shit's so nice. Scroll up in the chat. You'll see I was able to predict the short that just happened. Beast. Bro, you shorting right now, bro? You are a goblin, bro. Let me see. There's a way to mark the candles if they're green or red. Oh, interesting. Okay. You mark them different then? Well, sheet, make a video. Yeah, dude, that'd be dope. Get it, son. Get it. All right. Well, I don't think I have much else, guys. If there's nothing else, I think I'm going to hop off. The stream is recorded as always and available to y'all. So go ahead and check it out. All right. Well, I'm going to wrap it up, guys. Y'all have a great night. Make sure you get up early. Nice and early tomorrow because we have CPI. Okay. Nice, bright and early. Let's get it. All right, y'all have a good night. Gang.